Alright, so this morning we're going to do our spring load pressure test here on all of our springs. To start with, we're going to take a look here at the accumulator relay spring. And the spec for this here is 20 millimeters at 11.2 pounds. So we'll take this down to 20 millimeters and see what kind of pressure we're at. There's about 20 millimeters right there, and we're rated about 11 pounds, so that's good. The next one we got here is going to be the overdrive valve. And the spec on this here is 12.5 millimeters at 2.7 pounds. Take this down to about 12.5. And we are looking about, we're about 4 pounds right there. Oh, yeah, about 4 or 5 pounds. So that one's going to be under spec. The next one we got here is going to be our lockup valve. And the spec on this one is 17 millimeters at 11 pounds. So 17 millimeters, and we're looking about 40 pounds there. See if we're correct. So that one's going to be good. Next we got our lube regulator, and the spec on this one here is 3.5 millimeters at 10.6 pounds. So we'll go down to 3.5 millimeters.
Deep shit. Like, it was like confidential between me and nobody.
Where are we looking there?
You know, when I came up, I said, "Hey, you come downstairs for a minute." Because I knew damn well she was not replacing it. Oh, that's in a video.
3.5 at 10 pounds. 3.5 right there, right? So we're looking at about 7 or 8 pounds there. So that one's going to be a little bit under. Next one here is going to be the main regulator, and the spec on this is 54.6 millimeters at 68 pounds. Crank this down here to 54.6. So there's about 54.5 there, and we are sitting at about 70 pounds. So that's going to be good. And the next one we got is our control main, and the spec on this is 24 millimeters at 29.5 pounds. So crank it down to 24, and we're sitting at about 9 pounds. So that's going to be a little bit under spec. Then this next one is going to be the C2 latch valve, and the spec on this is 19 millimeters at 16 pounds. Crank it down to 19 millimeters here, and we are sitting at about 16 pounds right on the dot. Next we got this little one here. This is going to be the exhaust back spring, and this is a spec of 18.2 millimeters at 0.5 pounds. So at 18.2 we are roughly at maybe 1 pound or so, so that's going to be a little bit under. And then this next one is the C1 latch valve, and this spec here is 29.2 millimeters at about 4 pounds of pressure. So about 29 millimeters, and we're at about 2 pounds, 3 pounds of pressure. The last one here is the converter regulator, and this spec is 22.8 millimeters, so we'll take this down to 22.8, about 23, and we're supposed to have 12 pounds, and we are sitting right at 12 pounds on the dot. So those are good.